Well, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Andy Hall with Nasdaq, and it is truly our great pleasure to welcome Dyadic International and its CEO and founder, Mark Emalfarb, to ring today's closing bell. I'd also like to extend a warm welcome to the members of the management team, board members, family members, and all of our distinguished guests to Nasdaq. We're excited that you could join us right here from the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's closing bell. Dyadic International listed on Nasdaq this quarter on April 17th, I think 2 months ago. You can now find Dyadic International listed on Nasdaq under the symbol DYAI. Since the announced listing on Nasdaq, Dyadic stock has gone from to trading around 20,000 shares today to well over hundreds of thousands of shares today. The stock has appreciated over 90% since the Nasdaq listing, and if you look up today, we might be hitting an all-time high with Dyadic stock. Wow, congratulations, everyone. We're proud to welcome you to our family of the world's most innovative and growth-oriented companies. Congratulations again. Dyadic International is a global biotechnology company focused on further improving their technology platform to bring biologic vaccines and drugs to market faster, with improved performance, and in greater volume at a lower cost. Dyadic has the ability to develop quality proteins on a very large scale and at a low cost, and in turn, hopefully sell these developed proteins to pharmaceutical industries and companies where there is an undersupply of proteins that sell right now at a very high price level. Dyadic is working with Nasdaq-listed companies like Sanofi and hopes to produce similar success in their pharmaceutical space as they saw in their industrial business that they recently sold to DuPont. Mark, we applaud the company's focus in helping to change the paradigm on how drugs are produced and providing high-quality proteins to the pharmaceutical industry at a low cost. Dyadic helps to improve access and lowers the cost to patients and the healthcare system with the main mission of saving lives. Mark, we know this is a team effort, so congratulations to you, the management team, the board, and the hardworking employees that each day contribute to the company's growth and success. Nasdaq is delighted to be your partner, and we look forward to supporting Dyadic International as you continue to grow as a Nasdaq-listed company. And now please join me in welcoming your CEO and founder, Mark Emalfarb, to the podium. Mark?
Thanks, Andy. Really appreciate everybody's support. Good afternoon. We're very excited here to have the opportunity to ring the closing bell at Nasdaq. This is a special milestone for Dyadic. This would have not been possible without the hard work of our employees, board members, consultants, and scientific associates. And we really appreciate all the help everybody did to get us to where we are today. In the short time that we've been moving from industrial biotech to pharmaceuticals, we've made dramatic movements in science. We've advanced the technology to really bring forth the possibilities of just completely changing the game in the way healthcare can be brought on to people globally, not just in the United States. One of the things I was thinking about yesterday here in the US was Father's Day. And as a father, my obligation is to my children and my next generations and future generations to make sure that healthcare is affordable. And Dyadic's mission and quest is to do that. And we're working hard to bring the technology we developed over the last 2.5 decades to make industrial products at very large volumes at extremely low cost, and bringing into a pharmaceutical industry that's used to making things at very small volumes at very high cost. So there's a clash of cultures going on here. But we intend to positively disrupt the biologics business, whether it be vaccines, antibodies, antibody fragments, etc. And I think one of the things that we're working on today that's very exciting, what people are looking at, is gene therapy. One of the products and technologies where we're looking to apply our platform, the C1 gene expression technology, is to try to make AAV viral vectors. And it's the same theme. Cost is too high, they're not available, and there's a shortage. And we think that with our technology, we can deliver on the promise of bringing gene therapy and bring down the cost and make it more affordable as we can with vaccines and other biologics. So we're proud to be on the Nasdaq, and as Andy mentioned, the exposure that we're getting is really helping not only with investors, but it's in the end bringing more attention to the problem. And one of the issues that we talked about earlier today in another interview was that one of the things that we need to do is we need to change the paradigm and think outside the box. And one of the things we should think about is with orphan drug diseases are great, and they're great treatments, and we need to keep doing that. But they get fast track status. And if we can develop new technologies, whether it's our C1 gene expression platform or other competitive platforms or technologies, we need to work with the FDA and the government to speed up the development so that we can get fast track status. Instead of saving 500 or 1,000 lives, we can save hundreds of millions of lives by bringing medicines to people that heretofore couldn't afford those medicines and the treatments for disease. So here at Dyadic, we're excited to be on the Nasdaq, and we thank everybody in the celebration. And it's a great day for Dyadic, and it's a great day for humankind. Thank you very much.
Mark, this is our closing bell. Crystal, we're so delighted Dyadic is here with us. It's been a great 2-month partnership so far. You're going to close hopefully at an all-time high, and we're glad you're with us. We look forward to having you come back and celebrate many more milestones. Congratulations.
Thanks, Andy.